Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to this device. And to get started, we will need to open up the standalone contacts app, which looks like it's right over here. So tap on it and go to the three bars right on the side and go to manage contacts, where you should see an import or export contacts option. From here, obviously, we're going to select import and select it from SIM card, and it should show you all the contacts that are on that SIM card. So simply tap on the contacts that you want to import, and once you're satisfied with every contact that is selected, you can tap on the check mark right here and select where you want to import. Now, right now it's showing me only one option, but if you are logged in, things like Google account, it would show Google as an option too, so I could import the contacts to Google instead of the phone. But anyway, I'm going to select the phone and select import. 3 contacts imported, cool, and we're basically done. And that is how you would import contacts. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.